So guys, if you can't use these cables for your Wii, and instead you can pretty much only use HDMI, well in that case you want to plug in your HDMI cable and you want to buy this. You want to get yourself a Wii to HDMI adapter. So this is the one that I have. It's just any random one. I just searched up on Amazon, Wii to HDMI adapter, and I got this one. But there's probably better quality ones that you can get out there. This is just a cheap one I got for like £5. So I connected this adapter to my HDMI, and I'm now going to connect it to my Nintendo Wii. So let's connect it to my Nintendo Wii. Goes like that. And I now have the Wii to HDMI adapter connected to my Wii and connected to my TV via HDMI. So now let's turn on the Wii. It's now turning on. And we're now on the Nintendo Wii dashboard. So now we're just going to go to Wii options in the bottom left. And then once you're on this, you want to click on screen and then click on TV type. Now you can try all of these. I've already tried all of them. And for me, the best option is EDTV, HDTV, 480p. This is what gives me the best quality, but feel free to try the other ones as well. But this is the one that I use, 480p, and then confirm. And for me, this gives me some pretty decent quality. That's how you do it.